What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld San Antonio, and today we're going to be doing a construction update for Catapult Falls, the new attraction opening up later this year. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Alright, here we are. Construction site for Catapult Falls, right across from Wavebreaker. Intamin Flume Coaster, as they're calling it. And there it is. Sign is just out front right here, showing world's first launch flume coaster, Catapult Falls. And here's some concept art just over here. And even better, we have a ride vehicle right here. Check it out. Looks pretty good, actually. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld San Antonio for Catapult Falls, the Intamin Flume Coaster, and saw a little bit of the progress. Hopefully we're going to do some testing pretty soon and open it shortly after. We'll have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.